Oh my gosh. That eagle done shuck off all that dirt. Look at her. She's such a happy girl. Yes, I just called you happy. Really? You gonna keep talking back? Come on, girl. Come on. Let's go get some worms. Maybe we got some watermelon, some grapes or something. It's the chicken habitat. Those hillbillies. Oh my, my. Look at this. It's a flock party. Get them, love. Oh my. Now their breaths are going to smell like worms.
Worm breath.
What is it we call that hen? Golden hen?
Goldie hen.
Goldie hen.
Instead of Goldie Hawn, she's Goldie hen.
She's Goldie hen instead of Goldie Hawn. You gotta love it. What's with that one feather back there? Ah, silly. Yeah.
A little bird's